Hey, thanks for visiting me at Safe Labs. This is how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 10. VirtualBox is a piece of software that lets you separate your hardware on your host OS to guest operating systems called virtual machines. Windows 10 being my host OS, I'll show you the steps to install Kali Linux. First, you will need VirtualBox, which will be linked below for you. So you click on the link, you will have to select which host operating system you're running. In this case, I'm using Windows. We'll just install this just how you install any other application. With that in mind, we're going to choose Kali Linux as the operating system. We're going to virtualize, but the setup will be similar for different OSs. So we can navigate to the official Kali Linux download, which will be linked in the description. Choose the pre-built VirtualBox download, which is right here. Once that finishes, extract it and launch VirtualBox Manager. From here, you will want to make sure you're under Tools, click on Machine, click Add, navigate to the folder you just extracted, and then click on Kali Linux, and then the version, and then VBox. Double click on it, and then you'll see it here. Right now, it's powered off. So to spin it up, you just click on Start, and then we just wait for it to load. This pre-built copy has 2 gigabytes of RAM and 2 CPU cores, which are more than good for the beginner wanting to learn more about hacking and for labs like vulnhub. Don't be afraid when this grub loader pops up. You can let it load into Kali by default. So once that finishes, you just click into it. You might get a pop-up saying that it'll keep hold of your mouse and keyboard so you could still use your shortcuts in your virtual machine. To escape it, just click right click. Once Kali is fully loaded, it'll ask for credentials. The default username is Kali with the password of Kali, which should be changed, especially since the box is facing the internet. And congratulations, you have now successfully installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox in Windows 10. Check out my playlist in a couple days to see where to start with hacking into vulnerable by design boxes and how to secure your newly installed Kali Linux virtual machine so you don't get pwned.